Hi everyone, I think we can start now. It's approx 3. Yeah, so just little bit about myself. So this is Balmiki and founder of Electro4u, and also I'm working in Boss. Yeah, and I think let me share my screen and we'll go further about the class and all. So let me know, it's like if my screen is visible.
Yes.
Okay, fine, thank you. So I think little bit introduction myself. I think hope you guys know about myself and my name and all of the things. And yeah, like as you know, I'm working in Boss, like as embedded software developer, and total overall working experience in Boss 3.5, and total overall in this field 5-year experience. In the meantime, we are focused on this platform Electro4u, and today we are dedicated to launch the PCB designing demo course. Okay, so let me admit, I think one guy on queue. Yeah, yeah, in meantime you guys have any point, any doubt, just let me know, then we can go further. Okay, yeah, so let me share about the today purpose, and I think, yeah. So today is the PCB designing course demo session. I think I by mistakenly put it the heading wrong, I guess. Here CPP, it's a PCB designing course only. Okay, so I think today is the first class actually, and we'll go about the PCB designing and all kind of. Before going further, I think little bit about the foundation and what we are, and who we are, means kind of. Okay, so actually we are totally focused on this field, embedded field only. Like we have the dedicated course on the this domain, embedded domain, and we are the real time project development as, means like as well we have. Okay, so far we dedicated to develop the courses as well on this embedded field only, and we have the dedicated project as well. Okay, so why we are here? So we are here to fill the gap actually. So I think people don't know about the embedded field, and people don't know about how to work in this field kind of. So that's why we are here to fill this kind of gap. Okay, and project completion, we complement completed the home automation project. So in this kind of things, all the build by our team only, the PCB designing and hardware designing and all the things. So through this means kind of things, we connected the phones, and we uh, means like this is the home automation. Basically through this home automation we can control the home appliances like fridge, fan, bulb, etc. And yeah, so I think this is the project, and we all guys are on the social medias as well. We have the website. I hope you guys know about the website. So let me share about the website. Okay, so as you know, this is the Electro4u. This is the website, and as you see, like we have the blogs, like on this field, embedded related field only, you can search here like whatever you want, and like you will be get. Okay, kindly share the social media handle. Sure, we'll share the social media handler as well. So so this many of the courses right now with us. So let me share the social media. So I am sharing this all the things in chat only. so it will be the very fantastic, and if you guys are want to go through, then it will be the very helpful to you. Okay, so in meantime, you guys have any point, any doubt, just let me know. I'm just sharing all the social media things over chat. You guys can go and one by one, like as you see, we have the website, we have the YouTube channel as well, and we all are on the like Telegram and lot many of the platform we means like with us actually. Okay, so comes to the our PPT. Okay, so next, right now actually means our foundation, our team running some of the batches like for the Linux and C programming, and for the microcontroller means like as well. So the time slot, this one and this all are the running batches right now. And I think yesterday we launched the CPP as well with DSA, and today we are on the way to give the free demo session on the PCB courses. So this many of the courses we are right now running actually. Okay, and the PCB designing course. So I think whatever the course today, like demo, it will be the for the PCB designing course. The PCB designing course, it will be the 3 to 2 month course, and each week we are going to take 1 and 2 session, like weekend only, yeah, in the Saturday, yeah, in the Sunday, and and I think this will be, I think, going with the project kind of things, and in like here we are totally focused on the project only, like related to the PCB, how to design the PCB, how to make the means like layer and all kind of. Okay, let me join one, I think one guy on queue, let me in. Yeah, so so far you guys have any point? Hardik will take care the PCB designing course. He have 3 more total overall experience. He have 3 more years in this field. Okay, and also the today course we will talk about later. So come with the website first. I will give the basic intro of the website. Then we go with the course content. As you see, like right now, all the courses we have like Linux and C programming and STM32 also. You can see somewhere STM32, yeah, here. So this course means like now right now with us, and yeah, so this is from my side, and we'll pick your one by one doubt after the session.
Love our content? Hit subscribe for more awesome videos. We'll see you in the next one.